Bakit?
Kahit day off mo, kailangan pumasok. May luha.
At may luha.
Yo! At eto na naman si Yong at nandito ka ngayon sa aming channel. At ngayon ang video na to ay ipapakita namin sa inyo kung paano magbalot ng isang sasakyan gamit ng sticker. So, nood lang kayo dyan at mamaya-maya ipapakita na namin sa inyo. Mumontage lang natin muna to.
First impression, you O.P.E.N. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. You O.P.E.N. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, O.P.E.N. O.P.E.N. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Sama ko sa vlog mo ron. Ha?
At ayun guys, matapos ang 8 oras, ay halos nabalutan na rin namin ang buong katawan ng G63 Mercedes-Benz 2017 model na ang orihinal na kulay ay white at ang inilagay naming sticker ay gray glossy. Yung ibang parts na nakikita niya na white ay nalagyan na rin namin after ng video na to. At ang ipapakita ko na sa inyo na susunod ay yung finished product na. So guys, sana nagustuhan nyo yung ginawa ko na video na to at subscribe nyo sana yung channel ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Check nyo tong video na tong susunod. Salamat ulit.